whisper of death in his ears? Watch as the Kloppy Tuico Firewood Processor devours entire trees in seconds. This hydraulic beast grabs logs, slices them like butter, and spits out perfect firewood, faster than you can say timber. It chews through 2 cords per hour, enough to heat a cabin all winter. Ever tried balancing a mountain of firewood on your bike? It's a heart-pounding puzzle. Logs shifting, straps straining, praying nothing tumbles. But that moment when you nail it, pure triumph. Watch in horror as this man's chainsaw cut turns into a nightmare. Perched on a crumbling hut roof, he slices the support beam. Crack! The entire structure collapses beneath him, sending the boy below plummeting. The lesson? Never cut the branch you're standing on. Witness the raw power of this John Deere harvester as it dominates the forest. Watch its razor-sharp blades slice through trunks like paper, uprooting entire trees in seconds, then chopping them into perfect uniform logs with surgical precision. In 60 minutes, this machine does what would take 10 men a full week. Like a scene from an action movie, this 40-ton timber titan teeters on the edge of disaster.
Mandei ela arrochar que ela nem mexeu não.
The ancient bridge groans under pressure, creaking, cracking. Then boom! Total collapse in spectacular slow motion. Logs explode like toothpicks as the truck pirouettes into the ravine.
Tecnologia!
High-stakes teamwork in action. This lumberjack's life literally hangs by a rope as the helicopter hovers just 10 feet above. Close enough to feel the rotor wash. That steel cable isn't just holding the tree, it's holding fate itself. Helicopter logging costs $1,500 per hour, but prevents 80% of forest accidents. The pilot's precision? Surgical. The lumberjack's nerves? Titanium. Watch this wood-splitting wizard at work. His compact processor turns stubborn logs into perfect firewood in seconds. By nightfall, this one-man operation will have processed enough wood to heat a cabin for a week. Now that's efficiency. You've never seen wood processing like this. Watch as this hungry machine chomps through logs like they're breakfast, spitting out perfect firewood pieces faster than you can say lumberjack. 10 tons of hydraulic muscle makes quick work of the toughest timber, while laser-guided precision ensures every cut is picture perfect. At 800 pieces an hour, this bad boy keeps whole neighborhoods toasty, all with the push of a button. Forget axes and saws, this is how we make firewood in the future. The future of firewood production is here, and it's a breathtaking blend of raw power and elegant efficiency. Like a well-orchestrated symphony, each component works in perfect harmony. The conveyor belts humming as they transport wood to the splitters that explode logs into perfect firewood chunks with elephantine power. What once required 10 sweating lumberjacks now needs just one operator, and this magnificent machine, working tirelessly to transform raw timber into cozy comfort.